What's going on, everyone? It's Matthew with Matthew Specialized Detailing. Really appreciate you guys watching. Super excited about this video, and I hope you are too. Today's video, we're going to be talking about my new used hot water pressure washer. Part of the reason I really wanted to get into using hot water pressure washing in my own little detail shop was to improve my efficiency. When I started my little ceramic coating business, I didn't really factor in the amount of time that it takes to do these maintenance washes that a lot of ceramic coating installers provide, right? You sell someone on a ceramic coating service, whatever the dollar is, you encourage that client to stay up on their vehicle so it doesn't get dirty, it doesn't get ruined. And generally you're seeing, the customer, we would recommend that they wash maybe on a monthly basis, if not monthly, at least quarterly. Now, with these maintenance washes, there is a lot of time still into doing that, right? All the setup of the buckets, the soaps, the mitts, the towels. And I know I've talked to a lot of installers about this, and as ceramic coating installers kind of grow their book of business, they tend to try and move away from doing maintenance washing strictly because it's a lost leader. You start to realize that, gosh, even though I might be charging $80 to $150 for this service, for me to do it efficiently, it's still taking me close to 2 to 3 hours. So I think a lot of guys start to move away from doing maintenance style washing merely because it takes a lot of time. So why would I want to use hot water? Well, hot water, every time you go up 10 degrees, you are actually going to increase the cleaning power of whatever detergent you're using. And I do believe that after some trial and errors that now I'll be able to use the appropriate detergent on the rims, the tires, and the wheel wells, along with the appropriate detergent on the paint and the glass. And once I get a good foaming lather on those surfaces, I can then let it dwell, get my hot pressure washer going, and then I can actually move about and pressure wash everything, and here we go. I no longer have to touch the vehicle with a washing style mitt. Now, I will point out that not every vehicle is going to be a touchless wash. There are going to be circumstances where I'm dealing with neglect and I'm dealing with something that's completely hammered. Especially this would be more when I'm doing prep work for a vehicle that's used, that's never had a really good coat of any protectant on there. Those vehicles are going to be the wild cards, and I will deal with those as they come my way. However, ceramic coated vehicles, you already have a lot of your surface dirt in suspension. The coating itself is actually keeping the dirt in suspension, and together with the appropriate detergent and the hot water, it's going to let all the dirt move quickly and flush away from the surface. So in this video, we're going to take a quick look here at my daily driver. It's a 22-year-old Honda Civic. This vehicle has been with me for a long time. It was a test vehicle out in the field, and we've compounded and polished and tested thousands of different protectants on this car, and I'm looking forward to next year actually having this thing go under the knife and rebuild it. But today, we're just going to wash it. So I want to bring you guys in here and take a close look at my vehicle we're going to be washing today, along with the hot water pressure washer that I am going to demo for you guys in this video. So let's get after it. All right, guys, this is my daily driver. It's a 2000 Honda Civic. It's been with me a long time. Got about 200,000 miles on this car. I'm going to be repainting this thing, rebuilding this car. That's my long-term plan. Hopefully I'll start on that project by the end of this year. But today, we just want to give it a bath. And you can see the road film. I was already wiping on it a little bit. And this is pretty much how every vehicle right now in the Midwest is looking. Salty, dirty. Really the goal is just to give this vehicle a bath. It's been with me a long time. It's been a test vehicle. And no more buffing this car. Paint's a little thin. The last I tested it was about 80 microns, so just a little thin there, Jimmy. But today, we're gonna give it a bath. So there's the car. And let's go take a quick look at this pressure washer, shall we? All right, here it is. This is my new used hot water pressure washer. Some of you guys may have seen this on my Instagram page. And I actually took delivery of this, I think it was around Thanksgiving, kind of late November. And I did not get to use it for its first time until I think it was the first week in December. I had to get a specialty plug, which I'll show you here in a second. But the green tank you see here, that is what holds the kerosene. This unit heats water on demand, so it has the built-in heat exchangers. You can see the dial here. So I can just use the pump if I want to use cold water, but I can turn it to the position it's already in where it says burner. And that will start the burner once I pull the trigger. And this essentially is the unit, guys. This is it. Show you here the plug. So it runs on 110. I just had to get that goofy plug installed, which is done. There is where the water comes out. And here is where the water goes in. I have a quick disconnect set up on that so I can roll the thing out into the driveway quickly and plug everything in and get it going. The one thing I don't like right now is that I have to deal with the hose. I did order a coil that'll attach to the side of this unit so the pressure washer hose can actually just coil right up in there, but who knows when that'll show up. It could be weeks, it could be months, especially in the modern world. You never know. People are waiting forever for all kinds of things. So that's it. Let's get it set up and let's see what it does. Let's go.